In this video, we're going to talk about overcoming mental blocks. In the wilds of the mind, where creativity flows like a river through the landscape of thought, there are places where the waters run dry. These mental blocks can halt the flow, leaving us stranded in barren stretches where creativity seems to disappear. Fear of failure, the mirage of perfectionism, and the crushing weight of external pressures, these are the dams that halt the creative currents. The fear of failure is a predator lurking in the shadows. Its whispers echoing with hints of embarrassment, of not being enough, of the fall after a bold leap. But failure, we must understand, it's not a signal to retreat, but a landmark on a journey, a lesson to be learned under experience. Perfectionism is like chasing the horizon, an endless pursuit that promises fulfillment but never quenches the thirst. It leads you in circles, always seeking but never finding. True beauty in art, like in nature, is found in its imperfections, in the unique human touch that no flawless facade can replicate. External pressures are like vines that constrict and bind. The expectations of others, the demands of the market, the comparisons to peers, they can suffocate creativity, turning art into a product and the act of creation into labor. But true art, like a wild creature, comes from within, born of the need to express, to explore, to say something only you can say. So, how do we navigate past these barriers? We start by acknowledging their presence, by facing them with the resolve of an explorer venturing into unknown territories. We recognize that every artist traverses this landscape, that none walk it alone. We counter the fear of failure with the courage to try. We remind ourselves that each misstep is a stride towards success, every failure a lesson on the path to mastery. We abandon the pursuit of perfection for a quest of expression, for truth, for something real and raw and beautifully authentic. And that's one of the reasons I think I've kind of embraced drawing expressively and in a messy, loose way. It's my way of abandoning my pursuit of perfection. And we can carve out spaces where our creativity can breathe, free from the stifling atmosphere of expectation. And we keep moving, we keep creating through the fog and into the clearings beyond. For creativity is not just about the moments of inspiration, but about the long, steady journey through the wilderness of our minds. It's about the relentless pursuit of the spark that makes us who we are, the light that guides us through the uncharted. So let's move, let's create, let's overcome. With every step, we're not just finding our art, we're finding ourselves in this wild, untamed landscape of creativity. Every challenge faced, every barrier overcome is a step towards the true essence of who we are as creators. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel. Thanks.